Never eat these 10 foods after age 50 for better health. As we age, our bodies undergo various changes, including changes in metabolism, digestion, and nutrient absorption. Some foods that were once okay for us may become less suitable as we get older. In today's video, we'll be discussing 10 foods that may be best to avoid after the age of 50 to help maintain optimal health and well-being. These foods might include those high in saturated fats, refined sugars, sodium, or processed ingredients that can contribute to health issues such as heart disease, diabetes, and inflammation. By being mindful of our dietary choices, especially as we age, we can support our overall health and vitality. Let's delve into these 10 foods to help you make informed decisions about what you eat beyond 50. 1. Processed meats. Processed meats like bacon, hot dogs, and deli meats are often high in sodium, nitrates, and saturated fats. These components have been linked to increased risks of heart disease, cancer, and other health issues, especially as we age. The high sodium content can contribute to hypertension, while nitrates and saturated fats have been associated with an elevated risk of developing certain types of cancer. By limiting the consumption of processed meats, individuals over the age of 50 can take proactive steps towards maintaining better heart health and reducing their risk of chronic diseases. 2. Sugary drinks. Sugary drinks such as soda and fruit juices are loaded with added sugars, which can lead to spikes in blood sugar levels and contribute to various health issues like weight gain, diabetes, and tooth decay. As we age, it becomes even more important to be mindful of our sugar intake to support overall health and well-being. Choosing healthier alternatives like water, herbal teas, or infused water can help hydrate the body without the negative effects associated with sugary beverages. Making this simple swap can make a big difference in maintaining optimal health, especially for individuals over the age of 50. 3. Trans fats. Trans fats, commonly found in fried foods, margarine, and packaged snacks, have been linked to adverse health effects, particularly concerning heart health. They can raise levels of bad cholesterol while lowering levels of good cholesterol, increasing the risk of heart disease and stroke. For individuals over the age of 50, it's crucial to prioritize heart-healthy fats like those found in olive oil, avocado, and nuts. Making this switch can significantly benefit cardiovascular health and overall well-being. 4. White bread and pastries. White bread and pastries made from refined grains lack essential nutrients and can cause rapid spikes in blood sugar levels, resulting in energy crashes and weight gain. As we age, maintaining stable blood sugar levels becomes increasingly important for overall health and energy levels. Opting for whole grain options like whole wheat bread, oats, and quinoa provides more fiber and nutrients, which can help regulate blood sugar levels and support long-lasting energy. Making this dietary switch can contribute to better health outcomes, especially for individuals over the age of 50. 5. Artificial sweeteners. Despite being marketed as a healthier alternative to sugar, artificial sweeteners like aspartame and sucralose can have negative effects on gut health, increase cravings for sweet foods, and potentially lead to weight gain. This is particularly concerning for individuals over the age of 50, as maintaining a healthy gut and managing cravings becomes more crucial for overall well-being. Opting for natural sweeteners like honey or stevia in moderation can provide a safer alternative, allowing individuals to satisfy their sweet tooth without the potential negative consequences associated with artificial sweeteners. Making this switch can support better gut health and help maintain a balanced diet, promoting optimal health as we age. 6. Alcohol. Excessive alcohol consumption can indeed have harmful effects on various aspects of health, including the liver, heart, and overall well-being, particularly as individuals age. Limiting alcohol intake is crucial for maintaining optimal health, as excessive consumption can increase the risk of liver disease, heart problems, and other health issues. However, moderate consumption of red wine, which contains antioxidants like resveratrol, may offer some potential health benefits when consumed in moderation. It's important for individuals over the age of 50 to be mindful of their alcohol consumption and to prioritize moderation to support their long-term health and well-being. 7. Canned soup. Canned soups are often loaded with high levels of sodium and preservatives, which can have adverse effects on health, including contributing to high blood pressure and other health issues, particularly as individuals age. To promote better health and well-being, it's advisable to make homemade soups using fresh ingredients whenever possible. Alternatively, individuals can look for low-sodium options when purchasing canned soups to reduce their sodium intake. By opting for homemade or low-sodium alternatives, individuals over the age of 50 can make healthier choices to support their overall health and reduce the risk of associated health issues. 8. Fast food. Fast food is known for being high in unhealthy fats, sodium, and calories, which can contribute to a variety of health issues, including obesity, heart disease, and diabetes, especially as individuals age. Choosing to cook at home using whole, nutritious ingredients allows for greater control over the nutritional content of meals and supports better health outcomes. By prioritizing home-cooked meals made with fresh, wholesome ingredients, individuals over the age of 50 can take proactive steps towards improving their overall health and reducing the risk of developing chronic diseases associated with frequent consumption of fast food. 9. Margarine. Margarine, despite being marketed as a healthier alternative to butter, often contains high levels of trans fats and artificial ingredients, which can have negative effects on health, especially as individuals age. Instead, choosing alternatives like grass-fed butter or healthier spreads such as avocado or nut butter provides better nutritional value and supports overall health. These alternatives offer healthier fats and fewer artificial additives, making them a preferable choice for individuals over the age of 50 who are looking to maintain or improve their health. Making this simple switch can contribute to better heart health and overall well-being. 10. Sugary breakfast cereals. Sugary breakfast cereals, despite being marketed as convenient and healthy, often contain high levels of added sugars and artificial ingredients, which can have negative effects on health, especially for individuals over the age of 50. Instead, opting for whole grain cereals with minimal added sugars or preparing homemade oatmeal or smoothie bowls allows for better control over ingredients and promotes a healthier breakfast option. Remember, making small changes to your diet can have a big impact on your health and longevity. By avoiding these 10 foods after the age of 50, you can support better health and well-being as you age. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more tips on living a healthier life.